Alright, let's get this next one started here. We're going to go into the forestry pools here. No idea who's down there. A lot of times I get lucky and there's just nobody at all. Some people come down here to dump garbage. Not cool. Most people come down here with their dogs, 6-pack of beer, a couple of doobies. You know the drill. Alright, the journey's not over. The real reason we came here is to go down this trail over here. So, we are definitely alone. Beautiful, beautiful sight. Have a nice campfire there. Set up a tent over here, somewhere like that. It's good enough for, you could probably fit 20 people in this spot. And it would be a great camping trip because you got the beach access right here. So, we'll get the big fella out of the truck here and ask him to lead us down to the river. Alright, come on down. There we go. Whoa, easy buddy, easy. Easy. Hard to do with the camera and a broken hand. Alright, you ready? Oh no, there goes the coffee. Take us down to the river, Dread. Let's go. Come on, I said let's go. Let's go. Hey, this way we go. Attaboy. This is absolutely one of the reasons I love Vancouver Island. You can just hit a place like this, Forestry pools. Come on down after a 10-minute drive. Go for a little 2-minute hike. And we are just down at a pristine little creek. It is very low water line right now. It's basically the island drought that's going on. And beautiful, beautiful, pristine water. It's just super clear. There's little crawdads and a few little trout running around in there. Definitely some lava rock formations out here. It's pretty cool. Come on, Dread, let's go. You lead the way. He does the rocks pretty good, but I do worry about the rocky beaches with him. My furry friend's not getting any younger. Come on, buds, let's go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. See some of these rock formations in the middle of the river over here. There's little pools that form inside them. They're pretty cool. You can actually crawl in them like a little personal-sized hot tub on a nice hot day. This creek is known for being a little bit chillier than some of the other rivers around. This is the Chemainus River. And got the camping chair sitting on the beach still. Go! Whammo. It's actually very cool to see with the low water line right now, because you can really see the rock formations and you can get across the creek in no time. There's a nice deep pool over here. Send the boy in for a swim. More rock crops out in the middle. It's awesome. Love this place. And I love that truck for bringing me down here. Keep the rubber side down.